So you have lots of production. But if you ever see these names, they tend to be better Lambruscos. They don't just say Lambrusco, okay? They tend to say Lambrusco di Sobara. Lambrusco di Sobara in the wine industry, they claim is the highest quality. Okay, but I do find some others are as equally as good. I personally found this one the highest quality, but it's almost impossible to pronounce. Okay, it's Lambrusco Grasparosa di Castelvetro. Yeah, but if you see long name on the label, the longest name on the label, you'll know it's good. Okay. And we have some other, all these kind of, Lambrusco Salamino di Santa Croce is also pretty good, okay? Then you have these kind of larger designations. Some are dry, some are sweet. You never know, you just have to drink it to tell. And climate, honestly, doesn't matter for lots of these kind of sparkling wines, except for higher quality ones. Okay, for higher quality grapes, they tend to be produced in a spot where they control the yield a little bit, do not grow crazy. Oh, anybody have seen Prosecco vineyards? Oh my God. Can you imagine the yield, okay? Think about if you see Napa Valley grapevines, okay? You have, oh, nicely, one grapevine, right? Maybe like this, and you have, oh, there are grapes hanging in here, and one bunch, another bunch, and one bunch, another bunch. If you see these kind of sparkling wine production, like Prosecco, like certain Lambrusco, just a tiny vine, like shorter than this probably, or the same size, filled with grapes. Okay? So some people debate whether yield has a correlation with the quality of the wine. I would say yes or no. If the yield is kind of similar, not so much in difference, yes. But for certain vineyards, if you go there, you can just see this is low quality vineyard because it's massive production. Okay? But for better ones, you control the yield and you produce more flavor in different types of Lambrusco grapes.
So is this Tenuta? I'm sorry if I sound ignorant.
Okay.
Is that the grape variety?
No. Let's look at the wines and we do not move on wine number 2, but let's just read the label, okay? Tenuta usually means estate or winery in Italy or certain producer. So you can see lots of places in Tuscany, in northeast Italy or central west Italy, they say Tenuta di blah blah blah, meaning which winery. Okay? And then we have some label name. I don't know what it is, but this is Lambrusco dell'Emilia. So this is the regional designation. Okay, so this is the regional and also what this wine is. This is a Lambrusco from the Emilia zone. And let's taste. I shouldn't say let's taste, let's drink. But I cannot drink because I still need to teach. All right. Any thoughts? Like, dislike? Like it.
It's very refreshing.
As a starter, right? Why not? Just drink it. And I want to say, like, even though this is a red wine, right? And also has bubbles. Especially in the red wine, you have tannins. And you have bubbles, it could amplify the tannins. But this one is like the overall mouthfeel, the tannin is not that aggressive, at least to me, and I think everybody is nodding, and it's so refreshing.
Is it always served chilled or usually served chilled?
Just chill them. You just chill. Okay, even for higher quality ones, chill before you drink it. This version is a drier Lambrusco. There are much sweeter Lambruscos. And though some people find it a bit harder to drink because it's, this is red wine, sweet, blah, blah, blah. But for those versions, I also drink a lot because I just treat them like high-end Coca-Cola. Okay? So something like that. Yeah, right? With some tannins, with, yeah, those kind of things.